Okay. Net issues ഉണ്ട് അതൊന്ന് മൊബൈലിൽ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കും. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് എന്താണ് in the previous class we discussed that problem knapsack problem. Okay. 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 I will take class in the using mobile. Okay. So this is the problem. So it is a fractional knapsack problem. Okay, why it's fractional already I told. Okay, so anyway I'm just defining the problem. We are given n objects and a bag. Okay. We are given n objects and a bag. Okay, and for each object there is a weight wi. Okay, and the bag has a capacity m. Then about the profit. Okay, if a fraction xi, okay, a fraction xi of the object. Okay, for example, there are 5 kilo apples in your hand, then you can place 2 kilo if needed. If a fraction xi of object I is placed into a knapsack, then a profit pi into xi is earned, and then a profit pi into xi is earned. So the problem is, the objective is to filling of the knapsack with objects in such a way that maximize the total profit earned. So the total profit earned should be maximized. You should fill the basket by maximizing your profit. Then this is the objective, but it is subject to the below constraint. Okay, it is subject to the below constraint. What is the constraint in this problem? The total weight of all chosen objects to be at most m. Okay, at most m. Okay, so we can mathematically written in this way, that is maximize sigma 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. I varies from 1 to n, pi into xi. This is equation number 1, and subject to sigma 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n, wi xi, which is less than or equal to n. Equation number 2, and 0 less than or equal to xi less than or equal to 1, 1 less than. That is equation number 3. In this equation 2 and 3 are basically the constraints. Okay, and the equation 1 is the objective function that we want to maximize. Okay, please note that. Okay, okay, Akhil, is it okay now? Akhil, Anaka, Devika, Adilna, anyone?
Sir, okay.
Is it okay? Okay. Okay. So this is about the knapsack problem. Okay. And I am unable to present it using the lab. That's the problem. Okay. So this is the knapsack problem. Now, anyway, in this class we need we can present it using the mobile. Okay. So next is this is a problem is given. Okay. For example, find the optimal solution for the below knapsack problem. And this is a commonly asked university question. This type of question they will ask in the university exams. Okay. So find the optimal solution for the below knapsack problem. Then you are given with the object. How many objects are given here? How many objects are there? There are 7 objects. Here you can note O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6 and O7. Okay, there are 7 objects. And profit of each object is given. Okay, the profit of each object is given. Okay, so next please note the profit row. Okay, please note the profit row. Okay, profit row. So profit of each object will be given to you. Okay, I am using mobile, that is why I am slowly moving. Okay, so next please note weight, which is also given. Okay, weight of each object is given. Okay, weight means basically weight means the number of like for example, if the object 1 is apple, its weight is 2 means it is 2 kilogram apple is there. Okay, similarly for the object 2, the weight is 3, object 3 weight is 5, object 4 weight is 7, object 5 weight is 1, object 6 weight is 4, object 7 weight is 1. Okay, so please note and understand that concept. Okay, okay. So next what we want to do is that here we should find a ratio PI divided by WI. Okay. Also one more thing, here the value of n is 7 and m equal to 15. What is the meaning of 15? M is equal to 15 means you are with a bag of maximum capacity 15. Okay, 15. Okay, that's the meaning of that. Then okay, so next, so we want to solve this problem. What we want to do is that first we should find out this ratio. Okay, PI divided by WI. Okay, PI divided by WI, which means profit of the ith object divided by weight of the ith object. That we need to find out. Okay, so I just given and just focusing here PI WI. Okay, because we are basically normalizing the weight and profit using this ratio. Okay, so here you can note here for 2 kilogram weight the profit is 10. Here for 3 kilogram weight it is 5. In this way it is given. So what we are doing is that we want to normalize that weight and profit. Okay, so we are finding a ratio. We should find a ratio PI divided by WI. Okay, so what is PI divided by WI for the case of object 1? For object 1, PI divided by WI is equal to, what is PI? 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then for the object 2, 5 by 3, which is 1.3. Okay, please note it. Okay. Then for the object 3, it will be 15 divided by 5, which is 3. And for objective 4, it will be 7 divided by 7. Okay, it is 1. Okay, 7 divided by 7, it is 1. and for object 5 it will be 6 divided by 1, it is 6. Okay, for object 6, 18 divided by 4, which is 4.5. Then for object 7, 3 divided by 1, which is 3. In this way, you can find out Pi by Wi of each object. Okay, that ratio is very important. Okay, while solving this problem. Okay, so we find that ratio. Okay, while problem solving, we should find this ratio Pi divided by Wi. Okay, so I hope you are clear with that concept. How you find out Pi divided by Wi. Okay. Then next, what you want to do is that you should define a variable x. Okay, x means x, how much portion of the object has taken. Okay, it's a fractional knapsack problem. So here we are defining a variable x, or it is an array basically. It is an array x, and it is used to store the information how much portion of a particular object has taken. Already I told I can take the full object. I can take a fraction of that object. Okay. In that way I can take. Here x means how much portion of the object has taken. Okay. So now we defined what is x. Okay. Now we defined what is x. Okay. Okay. So next, what we want to do is that here we are using the greedy approach. Okay. So there are 7 input objects. There are 7 input objects. From that, we will take, here we will first select an object with highest ratio Pi by Wi. Okay. The selection criteria is like here. What is the selection criteria here? In this problem, we will first select an object with highest Pi by Wi. Which one? Then which one we will select here? Please note. Okay. So here we can note. Now in this situation, the object with the highest Pi by Wi is object 5. Okay. You can note here it is 6. Pi by Wi of object 5 is 6. Okay. Okay. I am presenting in the mobile screen, so there are some limitations for me to present. So please observe and understand the concept. Okay. So here what I have done is that I selected the object with highest Pi by Wi. Okay. Highest Pi by Wi. So here object 5 is the object 5 having highest Pi by Wi, which is 6. Okay, which is 6. So what I will do? I select that. Then I return here 1. Why it is 1? In the x means, what is x? How much portion of the object has taken? Okay, I taken full that object. Okay, I taken full. Why full? Because now the capacity of the knapsack or bag is 15. Okay, so the weight of that object is only 1. I can include that object fully in the knapsack. Okay, that's why I selected. That is why I selected or I marked 1 here. Okay. Okay. So here there are two things we should note. One thing is why I selected object 5, because PI by WI of object 5 is the largest. Okay. Then I returned 1 there. Why I returned 1? Because you can note here, now the capacity of the knapsack is 15. Okay. I can place 1 kilogram. You can note here, object 5 weight is 1. It is 1 kilogram. 15 kilogram is available. Then I can put that object fully in the knapsack. So I written here 1. That means I fully taken that object 5. Okay. I am not fractionizing that. I am not making it a fraction. Okay. I am taking the full object. For example, if there is 1 kilogram mango, I am taking full 1 kilogram. Okay. Okay. Try to understand that concept. Suppose object 5 is mango. Then suppose 1 kilogram mango, weight of the object 5 is 1, which means 1 kilogram mango is there. I can put full that 1 kilogram into the bag now. So I am selecting that full amount and putting into the basket. Okay. Now the situation is like this. That is, the capacity of the knapsack or bag is reduced to 14 kilogram. Okay, please observe this. Okay, so please observe this. Okay, this. Please observe this. Okay, so this one. Okay, that is object 5 is 1 and the corresponding knapsack or bag is 15 minus 1, it is 14. It is updated. Okay. 15 minus 1. 1 means the weight of that object. Okay. So now 14. Now what happened? Now 14 kilogram of bag. Now bag size is 14 kilogram. Okay. Now I move to the next step. Okay. Now I move to the next step. Okay. So please focus on the contents. I can't present it using the mobile, the lab. So please note it. Okay. So then you can concentrate on the next step. Which object I will take? Agility for which object I will take next? Agility for which object I will take next? Initially I taken object 5 and added fully to the knapsack. Now the capacity of the knapsack is 14. Next, which one I will select? Devika. ഒന്ന് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ആരെങ്കിലും? എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് 1 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തത്? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് 1 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. വൈ? Because PI by WI of object 1 is next lower than 6. Okay. അതായത് 6 ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് 5ന്റെ PI by WI 6 ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അത് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. അടുത്ത ലോവസ്റ്റ് ഏതാണ്? PI by WI 5 ആണ്. സോ ആ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഈ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഞാൻ ഫുള്ളായിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? അതായത് ഈ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് എനിക്ക് ഫുള്ളായിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യണോ അതോ പാർഷ്യലായിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യണോ എന്നതാണ് അടുത്ത ഇഷ്യൂ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എവിടെ നോക്കുക? ദെൻ വി വിൽ കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ് ഓൺ ദ ബാഗ്. ബാഗ് കപ്പാസിറ്റി ഈസ് 14. Okay, now the bag capacity is 14 and the object one's weight is 2 only. That means I can include that object fully on that bag. So what I had done, I selected that object, full object, which means 1. Okay, please note that. Okay, please note that how it becomes 1. Okay, then that is here I written O1 1, then O5 already I selected. Now please just note the X. Okay, then what I will do, I will update the knapsack. Then knapsack size or capacity become 14 minus 2, which is 12. Okay, so that is I am selecting the inputs one by one and checking whether it is a solution, it is an optimal solution or not. If it is optimal, I am adding to the solution set. Okay, that is the greedy approach. Okay, anyway, next what I will do, I selected O5, then O1, then suppose O1 is apple, O5 is mango. Mango I selected, apple I selected, then which I will select next? Akhil C. Paul, please answer. Which I will select next? Akhila absent ആണോ? Anugrah. റെസ്പോണ്ട് കീർത്തന. അപ്പൊ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഏത് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക? ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലോവർ PI/WI ഏതിനാണ്? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലോവർ PI/WI ഇവിടെ 6 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു, 5 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഏതിനാ ഉള്ളത്? 4.5 ഉണ്ടോ? 4.5 ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. അതായത് next you can note object 6 having the PI/WI value 4.5. Okay, it is having the value PI/WI value 4.5. so what I will do, I will select O6. Okay, you can note here O6 is selected. Okay, you can note here O6 is selected. Then my question is whether I will select full object or partial object. Anyone? Now the capacity of knapsack is 12. Okay, now the capacity is 12 and object's weight O6 weight is 4, which means I can include that fully in the knapsack. Okay, so what I will do, I will just put full, I will take full object O6. Suppose it is some other fruit. Okay, or 4 kilogram orange is available. I am taking full 4 kilogram and I am putting it into the knapsack. Okay, so now the knapsack size is reduced to 12 minus 4, which is 8. Okay, 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. Okay, okay, 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. Okay, okay. So now the capacity after selecting object 6, the capacity of the knapsack is 8. Okay, which means I can select some other object. Okay, so next what I will do, I will again select it based on the Pi by Wi. So next is Pi by Wi. Here you can note here 3 and 3. There are two objects having Pi by Wi value 3. So what I will do? I can select any of them, and here I am selecting the first one, object 3 with weight 5. Okay, I am selecting the object 3 with weight 5. Okay. Okay, so you can note here, I selected object 3 with weight 5. Now 5 is less than 8. So which means, suppose I selected object 3, it contains 5 kilogram. Sorry, yes, 5 kilogram. Then the capacity of the knapsack is 8, which means I can fully put it into the knapsack. So what I will do, I will select full object. O3 is 1, then I am putting I put it in the bag. So the capacity of the bag is 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. Okay, 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. Okay, so next what I will do, in this way, next I will take O7. Okay, then I am fully O7 weight is 1. Capacity of the knapsack is 3, which means I can include it fully. So I included and updated the knapsack. Now the capacity reduces to 2. Okay, after selecting O7, it is reduced to 2. Okay. 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 Okay, wait. Okay. At last I got the connection in the lab. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So we reached at this point, and so we selected O7. We selected O7, and then the knapsack is updated. Okay. Now the size is 2. Then what we will do? Next step is important because now the capacity of the knapsack is 2 only. Okay. You can note here, after selecting object 7, you can note here, after selecting object 7, okay, after selecting the object 7, the capacity of the knapsack is only 2. Okay, only 2. And my question is, which object I will select next? Okay, now I selected this one. Okay, this one I selected. this I selected, and this I selected, this one I selected, and this one I selected. Okay, now these are all selected. Now there are one remaining. Which I will select? I can select this one. Okay, its value is PA by WA is 1.3. So I can select that. But what about the weight? You can note here the weight is 3. Okay, weight is 3, but weight is 3 here. But what is the capacity of the knapsack now? It is only 2. Okay, it is only 2. Okay, now the capacity of knapsack is 2 only. If I selected O2 I can select, but it is having weight 3. It's total 3 kilogram is there. Only 2 kilogram I can include. So what I will do, this is a fractional knapsack problem. So I can select part of that, which means there are 3 kilogram, but I am selecting only 2. So how much portion I selected? 2 by 3 I selected. Okay, 2 by 3 I selected. So this is very important. Try to understand the concept. Now the capacity is 2, object 2 having 3 kilogram. Okay, so I want to select O2, but it's having 3, capacity is 2. So what I will do, I will select 2. Okay, out of 3, 2 by 3, and I will place it in the knapsack. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is 0. Now the capacity is 0. So I can't select any other. Okay, so now we are analyzing how it's work. Okay, now what I will do is that this is the constraint to be satisfied. Okay, that is the constraint to be satisfied means the total weight of the objects we selected should be 15 or less than or equal to 15. Okay, in this case you can note here we selected this value is 1. Okay, so you can note here we will write 1 weight. Sorry, this is the fraction value. Okay, I will go back. Okay, first we selected object 5. Okay, it's having value 1. X value is 1. Okay, what is the weight value? Weight value is 6. Okay, so 1 into 6. We will sorry, object 5 and its weight value, sorry, it is 1. Okay, it is 1. Okay, so first we selected this object, its x value is 1 and weight value is 1. So what we will do, here you can note 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1. Similarly for others also we will do the same concept. So 1 into 2. 2 means the weight of the object. Basically this is the object 1, O1. This is O1. Then if you consider O2, we will take 2 by 3 of the portion into corresponding weight value. In this way we will take all the objects we consider. This is 0. Okay, this we didn't consider. O4 is, this is O4. O4 is not at all included. So it is 0. Okay, 0 into 7 is equal to 0. In this way we find out the WA into XA, which is 15. That means the constraint to be satisfied is okay. Next what we will do, we will find out the corresponding weight. Okay, so for the first object, the profit, sorry, this is the profit. Okay, we want to maximize the profit. Okay, so you can note here profit is this is the profit, or this is the objective function that to be maximized. So if we perform the selection in this way, it will become 1 into 1 means the weight value of the object 1 into, sorry, this one is xi. Okay, this is xi. This is xi. Xi into p. So p is here the profit of the object 1. Okay, p is the profit of object 1. So 1 into 10 plus 2 by 3 into 5 plus etc. etc. After doing, you will get this profit. Okay, so if you performed the selection in this way, then you will get the total profit will be 54.6, which will be the maximum. So here the selection criteria is used. Here selection proceeds from maximum PI by WI value to minimum PI by WI. Okay. So knapsack is filled with the objects in the below sequence. So first we will fill O5, then O1, O6, O3, O7, O2, and in this order we will fill the knapsack. We will not consider O4. Okay, O4 is the object, we didn't consider that. Okay, that is excluded from it. So this is basically, there are n inputs and there are 7 inputs. We will consider 6 only. A subset of the problem is selected, then which satisfies all the constraints. These are the constraints to be satisfied, which is satisfied. Also the profit is the maximum. Okay, which will provide the maximum profit, 54.6. Okay, so this is a greedy problem, and we solve this greedy problem using this approach. Okay, anyway, in the next class we can discuss more about this. Okay, okay, okay. Please give your attendance in the chat box. Okay, okay. Thank you. Akash absent or no? Akash. Okay, now the next ആണ് ആദർശ് ആബ്സെന്റ് ആണോ? ആദർശ് അനക, ഓക്കെ. അനുഗ്രഹ, അഞ്ജലി, അനുഗ്രഹ, അതിന് അതിൽ അബ്ദുൽ അതിൽ, ഓക്കെ. ദേവിക, ദിൽന, ഓക്കെ. ജസ്ന, കാർത്തിക്, കീർത്തന. നെക്സ്റ്റ് മുഹമ്മദ് സിനാൻ, മുഹമ്മദ് ഇജാസ്, സിനാൻ ആബ്സെന്റ് ആണോ? ഇജാസ്, സിനാൻ ഇജാസ് ആബ്സെന്റ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ഓക്കെ. സിനാൻ ഇജാസ് ആബ്സെന്റ് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നഫ, നേഹ.
Present, sir.
Okay, Nafa present. Neha. Okay. Karthik, Kirtana. Okay. Pranavya, Pranav C. Pranavya, Pranav C. Pranav C absent. Prasanna, Reza, Khalid. Okay. Rizwan, Roshan. Rizwan, Roshan. Roshan present ആണോ? ഓക്കെ. സിനാൻ ഇപ്പോഴാണോ വന്നത്? ഓക്കെ. മുഹമ്മദ് സിനാൻ, പിന്നെ മുഹമ്മദ് ഇജാസ് ആബ്സെന്റ്. റോഷൻ ആബ്സെന്റ് ആണോ? റോഷൻ, ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് അടുത്തതാണ് സഹല എൻ. സഹല എൻ, ഓക്കെ. സംഗീത സാരംഗ ഷാറുണ്. സംഗീത സാരംഗ ഷാറുണ്, ശ്രദ്ധ. Okay. Then Vishnu, Vaishnavi, baby Srishma. Vishnu, Vaishnavi, baby Srishma. Okay. Anchita, Shirona. Anchita, Shirona. ഓക്കെ, മുഹമ്മദ് ഇജാസ് ആബ്സെന്റ് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. മുഹമ്മദ് ഇജാസ് ആബ്സെന്റ്. പ്രണവ് സി ആബ്സെന്റ്. പ്രണവ് സി ആബ്സെന്റ് അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, അറ്റൻഡൻസ് പറഞ്ഞവർ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആയിക്കോ.